Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
A chronic cough lasting over 8 weeks can signal lung cancer. Watch for coughing up blood, shortness of breath, chest pain, or unexplained weight loss. Many causes exist, but persistent or worsening symptoms require a doctor's evaluation for early diagnosis. Don't ignore lasting changes in your health.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.